This is Cubiio, the most compact laser engraver in your hand. Start to work right out of the box. Cubiio delineates your sketch and makes it come true right on your desk. Cubiio works on vertical surfaces and is also suitable for limited space. Connect to your tablet or smartphone. Choose a favorite photo and engrave. Cubiio is super small and portable that you can take it everywhere. Laser without limitation. Use Cubiio to connect people in the city. Connect your thought to reality. Bring surprises to life, to a special one. And make an ordinary day extraordinary. It's easy to place Cubiio, ready to work. Simply power it with your mobile battery. Laser engraving is just as easy as having a cup of coffee. Creating is more fun together. Cubiio engraves on wood, leather, craftboard, paper, and many other materials. It can also cut off models from paperboard or felt. With Cubiio, you can decorate your home. Decorate for your loved ones. Draw in the app and print immediately. Personalize your belongings. Style your place all yours. Have fun with your ideas. Have fun with Cubiio.
For more information and more informative videos like these, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website mygraph.com.